Hello everyone, this is class 6 maths. As we have already started with exercise 1b, question number 6 to 11 I have already given to you. This is question number 12. Question number 12 is Mohani has 30-meter cloth. She wants to make some shirts for her son. So Mohani has a total 30-meter cloth उसके पास है and she wants to make shirts for her son. If each shirt required 2 meter 30 centimeter cloth, if for one shirt the cloth required is 2 meter 30 centimeter, then how many shirts in all can be made? राइट अगर एक शर्ट के लिए इतना क्लोथ यूज़ होता है फॉर देन उसके पास 30 मीटर क्लोथ है तो 30 मीटर क्लोथ के साथ कितनी शर्ट्स बनेंगी हाउ मेनी शर्ट्स कैन बी मेड एट ऑल and this is one question that we have to find and the second part is how much length of the cloth will be left after making shirts and how much cloth will be left that we have to find. So firstly write down, we will write total length. So total length of cloth is 30 meter. Cloth required for each shirt, each होता है बेटा एक, हर एक, right? एक शर्ट के लिए कितना क्लोथ यूज होता है 2 मीटर 30 सेंटीमीटर. नाउ इन दीज काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस इन विच यूनिट्स आर गिवन बेटा वी हैव टू फोकस ऑन द यूनिट्स, राइट? वी कैन सॉल्व these kind of questions only when if the units are same. So in this case you can say total length is given in meters but cloth required for each shirt is 2 meter and 30 centimeter. They must be same. If one is meter then other one is also in meter, then we can solve. Otherwise if one is centimeter then other one should be in centimeter, only then we can solve, right? To do so, firstly let's change the units. It would be more convenient if I will change both the lengths in the centimeter. So I know 1 meter is equals to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. Then 2 meter is equals to 200 centimeter. Right? Now I have changed this 2 meter into 200 centimeter. This length is already in centimeter, so I can add it. It becomes 230 centimeter. Now I need to change this also, meter to centimeter. So I know 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. We can multiply it with 100 centimeter. It becomes 3000 centimeter. So as per first part of the question, we have to find total shirts can be made of the 30 meter cloth, right? To find that बेटा अगर कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं ना कि टोटल चीज़ दी हो और उसके बाद एक के लिए कितनी यूज़ होती है वो दी हो, then what to do? At this case we have to divide it. Total length is 3000 centimeter divided with the length of each shirt. Centimeter will be cancelled with centimeter, 0 will be 0, right? Now divide this 300 with 23. Sorry, this is 69. Now we need to apply decimal and apply 0 here. Take the 0 down. It becomes 10. 10 is smaller than 23, so we will write 0 here. Again write a 0. Take it down. It becomes 92. And then 8 will left. Again we can take a 0, but it will continue. So we can take only up to 2 digits. So after division you will get 13.04, right? सो बेटा शर्ट्स की बात करनी है तो शर्ट के लिए तो टोटल नंबर आएगा ना. अब थोड़ा सा हिस्सा किसी दूसरी शर्ट का आएगा वो थोड़ी हम लेंगे, हम टोटल शर्ट्स देखेंगे. सो वी विल निगलेक्ट दिस 0.4, 0.4. वी विल राइट टोटल शर्ट्स विल बी मेड इज 13. नाउ सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन इज, in second part he is asking how much length of the cloth will be left. Means after making 13 shirts how much length will be left. Firstly we need to find how much cloth will be used for making 13 shirts. We know cloth used for one shirt that is given cloth used for one shirt is 230 centimeter. We have to find cloth used for 13 shirts. What to do in that case? I have already told you that if value 1 is given and we have to find the value of more things, then we multiply in that case into 13. So after multiplying, you will get 2990 centimeter. Now we can find, we know that this much length of the cloth will be used for making 13 shirts. How much cloth is left? Now we will find length of cloth left. Total length was given, that was 3000 centimeter minus 2990 centimeter. So what will left? Only 10 will left, na? So after subtraction, you will get 10 centimeter cloth will left. This is the answer of second part. Thank you. Next question we'll do in next video.